Hello, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we're going through something super quick in Bambu Studios, showing you quickly how to do a brim. Now, when we're comparing brims and rafts, they're similar, but personally I prefer to end up having a brim. To find it, we go into our other section and then we have it here in our bed adhesion menu. It's just below skirts. So with brims, it's just gonna create us having a small little brim, and this is just on the outside. Whereas when we have a raft, our raft layer, we are now sitting on top of that many layers. It's similar to help with bed adhesion, but personally I prefer this one because I don't have to deal with scraping those extra layer lines off on the bottom when the stuff is all complete. Now, once you end up setting that, depending on how many layers you want or how many lines of width you want, you just run your print and it's done. Again, I find this to be a better way than doing the skirt, but to each is their own, and they both do work. When you're going through this, just might be circumstantial for which one you ultimately choose. With that, that's everything. Super quick, really straightforward. All you got to do is just go into that menu and turn that on and select how many layers you want or how wide you want it. With that, as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.